He's somewhere in the United States, from L.A. to New York. Where are you, Revis? Don't forget to honk the horn.
Revis, my man, how you doing, player? How you doing?
I'm doing all right. How about yourself, TBJ?
I'm all right, man. They say the Pony Express was the USPS.
Yes, it was. And they changed the name and all that other stuff, but it was more sufficient when it was the Pony Express.
We need them prices to go back down. That's what we need. We don't need them to keep
Right.
rising. Where you at these days,
Right.
player? Where you at?
I'm in Saginaw, Michigan. I'm actually laying on my bed doing this show
Oh,
today.
you done made it home. Look at you getting some rest. Okay, that's what's up, player.
I still ain't had none of that Thanksgiving food yet.
Well, Thanksgiving over with. Maybe you get some Christmas food. Did you do anything for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or get any deals leading up for Christmas? You got a tall boy a nice Christmas gift?
I slept. So I got tall boys to sleep.
Oh, God. Okay, all right. I ain't gonna go down this road with you. All right, look, man, we got this word of the day. It's called algorithm. We're gonna just go ahead and get right into it. They say an algorithm is a procedure for solving a mathematical problem in a finite number of steps that frequently involves repetition of an operation. Or, more broadly, it's a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem or accomplishing some end. So, Revis, this is a lot because people hear the word algorithm. But I'm going to give you 2 sentences, and hopefully you can break it down for some people in a language that they can understand. Because they hear the word, Revis, but they just don't know. Think of an algorithm like a recipe. It's just a step-by-step set of instructions a computer follows to get a job done, like finding the quickest route on a map or figuring out what video to show you next. And then for you, because you are a truck driver, Revis, the GPS system you use to figure out the fastest way around traffic or which delivery to hit first, the whole process is controlled by an algorithm that sorts through all the road data. Break it down for us, Revis. Algorithm.
And like you said, an algorithm is a number system where do everything step by step, and it's about repetition. And every week on the Lab Tech Show, we tell you to hit the like button and to share with a friend. And when we say hit the like button and share with a friend, if everybody did that and then the people came through and they did it, it would change the algorithm. And then when people pop on YouTube, guess the first thing they'll see? Because we'll be trending. Therefore, the Lab Tech Show is the first thing they see, and they might even click on it. And then we'll have more people, more watch hours, more likes, everything else. Algorithm is a number system, and it changes as you go along. And that's pretty much it. It's just this step-by-step system. And Hit the Spot 1006 is a cook. I like to cook, and it's like you go step by step just so you can get the final finished product. And that's pretty much what an algorithm is, going step by step till you get to the final destination.
Oh, okay, that's what's up. Algorithm. Let us know in the comments how did Revis do on the word of the day. 1, phenomenal breakdown. 2, I'm not feeling this. You have to do better. 3, I know what it means now. Thank you. 4, you had one job and couldn't get it right. Or 5, he is the professor for a reason. 1 through 5, let us know in the comments. How did Revis do on the word of the day? Let us know. Revis, how you think you did, player? How you think you did?
I think I did pretty well, and I didn't even take a long time to do it.
Ah, look. Well, the kitchen works, Revis says hit the spot 1006. 1 week we get into trading, the next week we get hit the spot 1006. Nice job, Revis says Ray Okay, I see you. I see you over there moving. Yeah, there you go. They still talking about the United States Postal Service, and people not happy about that one. They say as a former USPS clerk who was part of the first experimental team in LA that processed Amazon parcels before we worked our own mail. The original deal was we helped deliver theirs and they fly ours. Oh, well, look at that. We got some insider information. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Yeah,
And I have friends that actually work for the United States Postal Service and has been working for years, and they pay very well.
Yeah, well, but I wonder why they be wanting to go postal and get upset and want to go do all the negative things that people don't like. Why they be doing that? You got attitudes and stuff. You got a good government job. I don't know. Well, it is what it is.
I never asked her about that, even though they say that they're federal employees. I never asked her about that. I got to call her and ask her.
Yeah, get back with us for next week and let us know. I got a couple 1s and a 5. Okay, he's the professor for a reason, says Sheila Baker. Jessica over there on Chatter says 5. He's the professor. I hear you. Lisa Maria and Ray Wright, they rocking with you. And I guess you tootin' hit the spot 1006's horn with the kitchen stuff because she didn't give out no numbers. So it is what it is, Claire. So she got
You know
one
what?
job.
You know what? Hit the spot 1006 and in the trading, I have to toot their horns every once in a while. They my biggest critics.
Okay, that's what's up.
It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.